vlog with what? I don't know. Right now I am going to schedule my work and what I do for my daily basis. I really love my vlog and thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for like so much love मेरे previous vlog पे, and it was so overwhelming to make it longer, but let's see how much I can, because I don't want to stretch it too much. Like I don't want to make it boring. I want to keep things which will make the vlog interesting. So yeah. So I just now received this parcel which I purchased from this brand Accessorize by V. I hope you guys already know about this brand. Like I talked about them before also on my video. So I have to open this with, okay, I can't do it with one hand. And here I have purchased this two earrings. So happy, like they look so good. I'm gonna wear today in this video and you guys will see. Do check them out. They're like a small business. They are really good. They have some good quality products, so definitely check them out. Also forgot to show you that I received this parcel from Scribblings as well, and this one is their new collection. I don't know why I show you new packages in every single vlog, and yeah, I hope you guys really love that. Anyways, this is just so beautiful. Just look at this, and these are so affordable as well. You can definitely check it out. I'm gonna link both the brands in the description box. This is the chain. It's completely handmade. It's so beautiful. And here I have the earrings. Oh my god, this is just so cute. This is so pretty, guys. By the way, every single product, like they are not PR packages, they are the products that I have personally purchased. So today I have to write down my to-do list. I always carry this notebook with me, and this is my everything. I write down every single thing, every video idea and everything over here. Film one reel for you all, which is going to be, I think, a new series on my Instagram reel, by the way, which is going to be this versus that. So it's going to be quite good, because today I think I'm gonna compare these two together, Maybelline Fit Me versus Lakme 9to5. It's going to be really interesting. So in this particular video, I am going to try out this newly launched Miss Claire foundation. I just now received this one as well, I forgot to mention, and this is a newly launched product from Miss Claire. So I'm going to try out this one also in this video. So yeah, just to make this a little bit more interesting. First is making a reel, and it's going to be Lakme foundation. The handwriting pattern going over here, like it was really nice over here, and then just see what is this dot.
Anyways, making a reel, testing out foundation from Miss Claire, and okay, I have to film a story for Plum, sorry, not Plume. I think that's it for today. Oh no, I have to film a video for Eva Cosmetics as well for their new lipstick launch.
By the way, this thing over here is my favorite thing, Artophilia, and this is so cute. This is handmade, by the way, a bookmark. A gift from them, so I kept it over here. Eyebrow, it's done. Now I'm gonna film the reel for my Instagram, and after that I have to wash my face again and try out this foundation. Now you will be like, okay, you don't have to do all this for a video, but I love doing that. I love testing out product for you all. I know you guys, like, it helps you somewhere. So yeah, it's not a problem for me. And I will be back after filming my my Instagram reel. So I just now finished filming that reel, and oh my god, I'm already tired and I'm so hungry right now. Look how she's sitting right over here. This means that she's angry and she's going to scratch me anytime. So she's just warning me with this thing, that move your hand. So this is homemade biryani. Here we have aloo, and this is a chicken biryani, by the way. Chicken. This is one of my favorite dish that my mom makes, and it is so healthy as well. I love it. The lunch was so good. This is the mess right over here. Here I have my foundation. This is the foundation I'm going to try out today. And here, this is a PR box that I received from Plum, and I'm just keeping my phone right over here. And here is everything. This is the setup right over here. Having my lunch now. I am going to test out this foundation for you all. This one is the Miss Claire Professional Makeup Everyday Foundation, which says that this is a natural. I just got a mail. Anyways, this is a natural weightless foundation, this says, and it's a 30 ml product which costs for rupees 300 something. I don't remember the price. You will get this from Nykaa. I purchased it from Nykaa, by the way. Yeah, the shade is called Caramel, and let's see how it works. I'm gonna shake it really well because I can just hear it is way too liquidy. So let's see. By the way, they have 12 different shades, which is a good fact. Like, you can get your shade from here. So I was really happy when I saw that they have 12 different shades. I was about to purchase this foundation. I just saw 2 shades and I was like, what the hell, 2 shades? Who is going to buy this foundation? But then I searched it properly on Nykaa and they have 12 different shades. So that's pretty good. Okay, this is way too liquidy, as you guys can see. I hope this will match me well. So I'm just going to use it over here. It's a little bit yellow for my skin, but that's what I prefer. I love a good yellow undertone foundation. I'm going to use my sponge and I'm going to blend it out.
Wow. Wow, this blends really, really well. It's definitely yellow for my skin, but that's okay. I'm going to manage it with some concealer.
Blends into the skin. It is so beautiful. Gives a beautiful glow as well. Oh, surprised. Just look at this. So I have blended this foundation all over my face, and this is what my face looks like. I used a beauty sponge rather than a brush because I usually use a beauty sponge only. So this is what it looks like. It is super lightweight. It does feel a little bit tacky on my face, and you need to set it with some powder obviously, but it feels so lightweight, like so natural and lightweight at the same time. I'm going to finish off with my makeup. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. Going to be my new favorite foundation. It is just so lightweight, so summer friendly. Like, you can use it as a tinted foundation, as a BB cream maybe, and you have so many different shades. I really love this. More product I'm using, I'm more loving this foundation, and the shade is looking like my perfect match. It was looking yellow, but now it looks adjusted with my skin and it looks pretty good. Eyeshadow palette from Morphe. I know I don't need to use eyeshadow, but I am just using it because I want to do eye makeup look. Every time I film, I again wash my face and again I need to fill in my brows. I just thought of adding a quick review here on my vlog so you guys can enjoy it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm very tired right now. I just filmed a video for Plum as well. I have some products over here. They are aloe vera gel, hair mask. So they are having a sale. So I have to make a story for them. So that was the last work for today. I have few other work, but I don't have any energy right now. So I will start again tomorrow, but I just want to take off my makeup right now. By the way, I just came here to show you video on natural light. So this is what it looks like, my face, and clean this area right over here. 6 videos for Plume and उसके लिए मुझे Plume के brushes निकालने हैं यहाँ से. So जो white brushes है वो है Plume के. So I have to make like 6 videos with different brush. So right now I am going to write down content for this 2 collaboration, and after that I'm going to write down content for my like non-sponsored videos जो कि मैं reels वगैरह बनाती हूँ उसके लिए. Good evening, and right now I'm gonna end this vlog, but I have something very, very exciting for you, and yeah, I'm gonna do a very exciting unboxing, and that is this right over here. So iPad Pro M1, and yeah, this is the first time I'm actually unboxing any Apple product. I also have iPhone, but purchased this iPhone बहुत ही मतलब जल्दी में मैंने खरीद लिया था, तो vlog नहीं कर पाई, तो that's why I thought okay, let me just unbox this beauty right over here. So this is what it looks like. This is actually for my brother and also me. I have a little brother and he is in engineering college right now. So this is for him and also for me because I also create thumbnails and I need for a few other work. So it is so unprofessional. This here it is. Charger and cable. So here's the charger, and here is stickers and everything that you usually get with your Apple products. Sorry if I'm like doing this unboxing, and if you don't like it, you can just skip this part, but I am here. I always share my happiness and my struggles and everything with you also. I think this is not any kind of show off. I'm just sharing it with you all. That's it. And this guys, that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I'm sorry for this extremely bad lighting, but I'm gonna end this vlog right over here, and right now I'm gonna have some tea, and that's it for the day. I don't have any work, so yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's vlog as well, and I think this is the first time I'm actually ending the vlog in a proper way. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.